from here because I feel like this is probably the bit we got up to. Any other point we can record.
There he is. Yo, the whole thing shook.
Yeah. Right, so... Oh, fuck. We need to go to the bunker.
Yes, sir. Dude, this sounds like the dialogue in your game.
Thanks, man.
You know what I mean? Though? Like,
Yeah.
you can't tell what he's saying.
Alright, I got no fucking charge on my thing.
That's okay, you don't need it. Charges for pussies.
Right, are you ready to run? You got your stamina up? I literally just bought stamina up as well.
Oh, dude, we can literally just stand here and I can shoot the front of my ray gun and all the dogs will die.
No, we need to run. Man, we need to go to bunker. He just disappears. Are you running with me?
Yes, sir. I'm a little bit behind, but...
Okie dokie.
Like in everything in life, you know.
Right, just don't go and cut corners. I'm going to start this ether portal, and then I'm going to go to where I found that last guy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's down. Fuck. I just destroyed a fucking a door. And it, yeah, nice.
There's a big guy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's so many zombies here, dude.
Yeah, you and I both.
Please be a nuke. Nope. Alright, I've started the trigger. Uh-oh. Did you throw a decoy?
No.
They just started walking away from me.
They're just sprinting full fucking pelt at me. And there's just dogs spawning. What happened?
I don't know, I started the thing and now it's not doing anything.
Requiem, keep on making these.
Right, let's try kill these cunts first.
Yeah, I need more juice for my boy.
Oh, perfect.
Surely we have to do something, right? Like, he gave us a clue that we just neglected, I'm guessing. Should we go back there?
Maybe?
I'm gonna see if something has changed. Was it underground?
No, it was, yeah, on the bottom. He's just talking. Oh, he's disappeared. So this
And
is,
it
yeah.
ends as soon as he stops talking.
Nice.
Let's just hope it's not back there next round.
Yeah.
That's a
Right.
really tight place to put
Wait.
it, though.
Is there still fucking big boys about?
Potentially.
Fuck. Right, save last. Oh, family. Oh, we got the last thing. Oh, we got the last thing.
Oh, it's like a picture of him and his family.
Yeah, yeah. This
That's depressing.
dark ether again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. The fucking...
Ah, we're blocked in.
Water. Boss fight? Pack a punch? No way.
Look at him.
Oh, we gave him the picture of his family.
Oh. He looks buff, dude.
Yeah.
Needs to pop those spots though. They look sus as fuck. My family.
So he's a victim at the end of the day.
Good. Deserves to be. Look how ugly he is.
Okay.
You are here to stop them. I will help you. We will shut off this infernal machine. Close the gateway.
Okay.
It will be the first step. I will
The first step.
the damage.
Shut up.
Right, follow him.
Yo, he's doing it.
Oh, we have to protect him.
Fucking hell. I didn't see this coming.
No boss fight. You just protect someone.
Bro, it's Track HQ. Right now.
Oh shit, there's big boys.
Oh, of course.
Oh no, they're so much bigger than other big boys. They're so much bigger than other big boys.
Dude, is Mayak the boss then?
No.
Look how slow he's dying.
No, he's been there before. We've had him before.
Yeah, but I sprayed like an entire, like his health.
Yeah,
Look at
he's
his
just
health.
really fucking powerful, dude.
Yo, we need to protect this gun.
Oh, fuck, dude. Fuck.
You're fine.
What was that?
Ray gun.
You're insane, thank you. Oh, fuck. Why is there
Where's
so
Malik
many?
now?
Why is there so many?
Dude, he's. Oh, I can't shoot from up above anymore. I'm full red.
He's so low. Fuck. Fuck.
Where is he? He's above us! Oh, dude, we could have scuffed it. Look at his health. It's on the minimap. Yeah, he's surrounded, dude. Like,
Fuck.
I took them all out. Oh, above the, below the minimap is the progression bar. His health bar is if you hover.
Okay. Where's the health bar?
Hover over him.
Oh, okay. He's got lots of health then.
Yeah.
Elite threat handled.
Dude, it's just fucking chaos.
This is. Oh, I love it.
Dude, I have infinite ammo, I just realized.
I don't. He's going somewhere else.
Yep.
Only one thing left.
So he's basically disabling this whole place.
Yeah. So is this the boss fight? Alright, I am...
Maybe we just don't get a boss fight this time.
Yeah, maybe it's just serve and protect, dude. Good old American way.
Like Darius and Drac kind of feel,
Yeah.
boss fight wise. It's like attack and protect. But like obviously in DE it's split into phases. But here it's combined. I need to queue.
I feel like I have so much more health than normal. I'm getting hit so much.
Oh, white screen.
Nice.
Yo, look at the machines.
They're all electrocuting.
Oh, there's just so many ammo on the floor, dude. Like basically endless ammo.
Oh, nice. That's
Where
why.
did he go? Where did he go?
He's here.
My son and Carter. Tell them I will see.
Oh, he's talking about his wife and daughter.
Awesome.
Go.
Raptor 1 is inbound, strike team. Get the hell out.
Other way.
Yeah, we have to exfil, dude.
Other
we
way,
have to
other
exfil.
way. This way. We have 90 seconds to leave.
Oh my god, we have to exfil.
Where? Oh my god, it's
Go
there.
to the shopper, go to the shopper.
How do you get through the door? This way.
Holy shit.
The electrics blocks the path, so you have to go a certain way. I'm in what's it called? In plain sight.
Yeah. Bro, this whole facility do be falling though.
Raptor 1 on the ground, Requiem. Strike team.
What the helicopter?
Go. I'm in. Done it?
fucking
Let's go, baby.
You're the deal. Haha.
GG. Successful exfil as well. That's sick. That's the Easter egg done then.
Site just went nuclear. Facility has been destroyed. Good work, strike team. We've closed the breach. But I got a feeling Omega Group is just getting started.
That's a very underwhelming cutscene. That's like nothing, but okay, I'll take it. Dude, I love the crit kills.
Usually it's like really high.
Yeah, mine are fuck all also, because as soon as I got the ray gun, I stopped going for crits. And I got it really, really hard. I went up a level and a half. Any for Shroud. Oh, what? Dark Ops challenge complete. Eve 1